Hi, I'm Mike Elliott, Director of Maintenance for Ruan. Happy Technician Appreciation Week. I would like to thank you for everything you do day in and day out. At the highest levels, you maintain our equipment through preventative maintenance and superior diagnostics, and to include the training that you go through constantly in order to be the best at your skill in the industry. One thing I'd also like to mention is that through your skills, you're able to make sure our drivers deliver their loads on time, every time, and come home safe, and also grow our ability to serve our customers throughout Ruan. And that's a true tribute to you. Happy Technician Appreciation Week, and thank you very much for your service.